my name's John, and in this video we're going to show you how to assemble one of the tomato cages you bought at scenicgardening.com. First thing you want to do is lay out all your parts, make sure everything's here, and I've got a 4-foot cage here. I've got my 19-inch cross members, my 18-inch cross members, my 4-foot legs, my screws, screwdriver, and there's a spacer bar.
Go.
So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get all the screws started into the cross members. We've got some pre-drilled holes, just like that, and I'll have you do the same thing. We'll see you back here in just a minute.
Alright.
Okay, now that we have all them done, I'm going to start putting the sides together. So I'll take 2 of my legs, and there's a bevel on one end. That's the end that's going to go on the ground. I'll set that facing up. I'm going to get a 19-inch member. Let's get it even with the top. Center the screw. Just lightly screw it in. That's flush. You don't have to screw hard. Do the same thing on the other side. Just level with the top. Center the screw. Lightly tighten down. And now we're going to use the spacer. I'm just going to lay it right underneath. Get the next piece. Center the screw. Tighten it down. Same thing on the other side. Tighten it down. And go to the next one. So I'm going to finish up this side while you go and put yours together, and we'll do 2 sides like this. So I'll see you back here shortly.
Okay.
Okay, let's get the last one down here. And I'm going to put 2 of the sides done. And then we're going to put the sides together now. I just need something to lean it up against while we get a couple of the cross members on. And then after that it'll stand up by itself. Sure that you're putting the cross members on the outside. So I'm just going to start like this. Don't worry about is it straight or not. If you just line up the tops, keep the screws in the middle, by the time you're done, it'll square right up without even having to think about it. Next one, you do the same thing. Say don't worry about it, it'll square up. And you do the same thing, and I'll see you back here on the other side. Okay, just putting on the last piece here. And as you can see, I'm not using an electric screwdriver. I don't recommend it, as cedar's a relatively soft wood, and there's a chance you could split them. So just use a regular screwdriver. These things assemble in 10 to 15 minutes each, so just be patient, take your time. And now, let's go put it in the garden.